Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I want to look at sorting in Excel. Now, back to sort of fundamentals, back to first principles as always. I've got my headings up here, at the very top, separated out, things spelled the same way, etc., etc. And let's say what I want to do is I'm just going to have a quick go to the end of the list. So I click here, I just do control arrow down. That brings me down to the end. See, I've got 1,000 rows. And then if I do control arrow up, this brings me back up to the top again. So let's say what I want to do. I want to first of all, let's say, for example, sort by city. So I click on the city column here. Just click on any cell, one cell. I then come up here to data. And then I come over here to this bit. So I just want to sort by one option here at the moment. So let's say I can click here. I can just go sort by A to Z. There you go. And sorted by this one. If I want to sort it the other way around, I can just click on this one here, Z to A, sorts it the other way around. Now, if I want to sort, let's say, for example, by multiple levels within this, so let's say what I want to do is sort by female first, and let's say then by product line, and for example, maybe by unit price. So for this one, I need to go to sort. All right, and this comes up. So it says sort by, and I want to sort by gender first, which is gender. I want to sort on cell values. I'm just going to keep it simple, and I want to sort it from A to Z, which is here. Okay. Now, then what I want to do is I want to sort it by product line. So for this one, I go to add level, or I could also go copy level. We've seen a minute ago, add level, and I want to sort it by product line, cell values again, and A to Z. And I'll just do one more, which is, and this one I'm just going to do copy level. So you can do either. Let's say, for example, by quantity. And again, you can sort by up to 27 levels on this. And then I click OK. Right. So you can see here, for example, I've got the female first. So all the females are grouped together. And then if I go to my product line, you can see they're sorted by electronic accessory first. And then it goes alphabetically into fashion accessories. And if I keep scrolling down, it then goes into food and beverages. So my list is now sorted by gender. And then for each of the gender categories, the product line is sorted alphabetically within that. And let's say for my quantity, you can see there it's got 1, and then 2, and then 3, and so on. Right? And again, you can sort by up to 27 levels. Right? So I hope you find this useful. Now, a question that also comes up from time to time maybe is if you want to sort in the order that it was added in. And I think the easiest way to do that would be actually just to put a date when something was added and then sort by date. So for example, if I go A to Z up here, sort by date, so you'll go from, and again, if I rest my mouse on it, see there it says sort the oldest to the newest. All right. So again, I hope you find that useful, and mind yourself and take care. Bye.